Now dear student, we are going to discuss this question, and in this question it is given to you, explain why friction is necessary to make the disc roll in a direction that is indicated. Okay, number 8. So first of all, our objective here in this question is to understand why friction is required if we are talking about rolling. Clear? So my dear student, if I am talking about pure rolling, in a pure rolling case, definitely we can say at this point, at the point of contact, at this point we should have relative velocity, it should be 0, or we can say velocity of this point B with respect to this one, it should be 0. Clear? Now we can say, if we talk about velocity, this is indicating in this direction, that is r omega naught. Clear? So actually friction force is required because torque will act on that ball. Actually we can say this body will rotate only when torque will act on it. Clear? And for the torque we need a force that is tangential to this surface. So here only there is one possibility, that if there is a friction, it will act like a tangential force and it will actually it will produce a torque. Clear? So friction force is actually necessary if we want to roll this body. Clear to everyone? So this is all about part number A. Clear? Give the direction of friction force at B. So always keep in mind, the direction of friction force is always in a direction of V center of mass, or we can say actually the direction of friction force is like this, it will oppose the angular torque. Clear? So it will actually oppose the velocity at the point of contact. Clear? So now we can say this is all about part number A. Clear? Now second part, what is the force of friction after perfect rolling begins? Now listen carefully. Actually in start, this friction force will act when at this point of contact. So friction force, what is the actually use of friction force? Friction force actually decreases this tangential velocity. So when relative velocity at point B, this becomes 0, at that time we can see the pure rolling condition achieved. Clear? So in the condition of pure rolling, the friction plays a very important role. It actually opposes, or it actually decreases this velocity. Clear? And when this velocity becomes 0, at the time the friction also becomes 0. Clear? So actually we can say the purpose of a friction is to bring any object in a pure rolling condition. As the pure rolling condition is achieved, we can say this friction force becomes 0. Clear to everyone? So this is all about this question. Clear?